Hi children, in the last class we have studied about animal behaviors and today we are going to the lesson number 6, that is plant kingdom. Okay, so plant kingdom means what? Every day we used to go for a walk, morning walk. When we go for morning walk, our nature will be very friendly to us and the environment will be very nice to feel. Okay, so there are variety of plants in the nature, big, small, strong and weak. Okay, they provide us many useful things such as food, clothing, shelter and medicines. Okay, so they will keep us very fresh and healthy every day. Okay, so let us see more about the plants which are surrounding to us. Okay, so the parts of the plants are parts of the plants, it is the topic. So plant body has two main parts. One is root system and another one is shoot system. Okay, root system means it is the part which grow below the ground, that is called root. Okay, have you seen the roots children? It will be like in the zigzag manner. Okay, it will be under the ground. Okay, so next is shoot system. Shoot system is the part of the plant which grow above the ground. Okay, that is the plant will be having no, like example for that is coriander. Coriander, have you seen the coriander? So for that one big stem it will be there, for that branches will be there, no, like that. That middle one is called a stem. Okay, so here the shoots which grow above the ground, that we also called as shoot system. Okay, and it also bears stem, fruits, leaves, branches and flowers. Okay, these two systems works together to keep the plant fixed to the soil and stand upright. Okay, root and shoot both are important to hold the plant firmly in the soil. Okay, next, roots. And here roots means this will hold the plant firmly to the soil, and even the strong wind comes also, it will not fall. Okay, the roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil and it sent to different parts of the plant, and the roots also prevents the soil erosion. Okay, so here next is types of roots. In the roots there are two types of roots are there. One is tap root and another one is fibrous root. Okay, so some of the roots they will store the food for the plant. Example for that is radish, carrot, turnip and beetroot. These are some of the edible roots, means they will store the food in that we called as food storage roots. Okay, so the roots which with one main thick root and many small roots are rising from them. ಒಂದೇ ರೂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ಸು ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇನ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೂಟಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್. Okay, example for that mango, people, carrot, neem, these are all what tap root. Tap root, for the tap root examples. Okay, they grow very deep into the ground. So the plants have many thin roots rising from different directions for the stem directly. Okay, that we call it as fibrous roots. They do not grow deep into the soil and the branch out. They branch out sideways in all the directions they will grow. Okay, example for that is ginger, onion, they will grow in all the directions. Okay, that we call it as fibrous roots. Okay, in the next class we'll learn about propagative roots, aerial roots. Okay, so today's topic is this much children. Read the lesson. Thank you.